Skinny girls weak, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like 2 pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you. All I do.
Yeah, light mad bright.
I know, that's good.
Bright light.
Okay, you guys, so it's much later in the evening now. We're about to go ahead to Neyows for dinner, me and the family. And of course, I'm taking you guys along with us. So, Lego.
But it's something we also saw.
I already got a list of stuff
Me
on my
and
here. I'm
George.
still fucking.
That's why we talking
You
about
feel a little tipsy, girl?
I'm
It's
still
not me.
buzzing.
Y'all lying.
We've just seen like a couple of meteors, y'all. I don't know what's going on out here.
It looks like it's
That's what they say to out here. I think that looked like a meteor, big. I'm with Bella. That was definitely a meteor. Alright, y'all, so let's go.
I want those crab claws that was so
Hey guys, we just got to Neyows. Lego. It's upstairs. Okay, you guys, so we're outside of Neyows. We have to wait for us to get a table. So we're here in this like little space. That good old lighting, y'all. But look, we're outside waiting for a table. Yeah.
Did you hear me, Bella?
So the kids is they ready.
Bella, look.
Our table's ready.
char grilled oysters, crab claws.
Me, myself, and I. It's all I got in is.
Hoppin' y'all, it's your boy Holla.
Oh my gosh.
Fish, shrimp, oysters.
So you guys, the last time I came here, you guys was like, how you gonna go to Neyows and not get a bow wow, right? But I got one this time. So I'm gonna try it. Ooh! That is good, y'all. That's good. See, this is what happens when you start drinking the bow wow. You see her?
No, this because I'm still left over from the mimosa from breakfast. And then
I had some mimosa, sangria. You drink that whole thing?
Yeah, I fucking did. And I woke up and took my
Better you can make it.
I'm good.
Okay, baby.
So I'm done.com. So I'm gonna take the whole ride home tomorrow because Tuesday I gotta get up and be back at work for 12 hours.
This is the Neyows oysters. We done had oysters all over the city. Look at it, still bubbling. You know oysters? That is so good. Look at this oyster, y'all. You got it, boo. You just put it in your mouth, and then you bite. You just don't bite it all the way. You bite it enough that you can skim it off your teeth. You biting it too hard. A little bit less. Now pull it. Pull it with your hand. Pull it out. Here you go. Just don't bite it.
Use the tissue for your face, babe.
You got it, boo.
Tissue, honey. Tissue right in front of you.
It's about to be a big one.
Sit out.
There we go.
She biting it too hard. Okay, you got it. You got it. So you guys, here's my food. I got the mac and cheese, chicken, green beans, stuffing, dressing, and that carrot souffle, honey. Burger, same thing. Burger. She got the pasta bienvenue, so good. Okay. She ready to
know, but we're gonna keep. I'm gonna take that and go home. But
Yeah, we're gonna wrap this up. Okay, y'all, so we here. Of course, this stuffing. Stuffing is so good. Yo, this stuffing tastes just like my mom's stuffing. I don't know why, what they put in it. It tastes just like my mom. I love it, you know me.
that's too much.
Here's the mac and cheese. Oh my eyes.
Oh, brother, you gotta rub it in, bro.
That's fine. Here's the mac and cheese.
I'm ready to go back for that.
Thank you. Huh?
What did he say?
I didn't even eat the chicken yet. I'm over here eating
I'm gonna have to show you. Now here's the star. This carrot souffle. Yeah, I've never tasted anything like this. This stuff is so good. String beans. String beans.
Your team isn't working.
I can eat no more. I'm good.
Chicken. It's so good. Yeah, that carrot souffle is good. Ronnie done went and bought the order of it too. How's your burger? Everything good? I'm full, y'all. I'm about to take this to go. This is gonna be a nice meal later. Okay? Bella, taste this carrot souffle. Taste that.
Oh wait, you took a picture of my food, right?
Isn't that good? Yeah.
That's falling down the stairs.
Alright, yeah. You gonna be falling. You ain't gonna fall down the stairs. You gonna pack that. This is a whole meal for later. Wow. I'm good right now. Lily got a pasta. Got it all over her.
Clean yourself, please.
Okay, y'all. So here we go again with the. I asked y'all what's the appropriate tip, right? So our bill is around like $200. You know, estimated, rounded up. Okay. What is a good tip for $200? We're giving them like $36 for a tip on a bill of $200. Is that right? $36? Let me know, babe. Right? Oh, see, they bow out. Let's go.
This game getting good.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Don't slip up or get caught. Why not, man? I'm coming.